Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. So, may I know your good name?
Yes, sir. My name is Balu.
Yeah, Balu, can I have your resume?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Balu. So, before starting the interview, so I'm your interviewer. Myself, I'm Surya. And like coming to this interview, this is the technical round for manual testing and Java.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, yeah, before starting the questions, just introduce yourself.
Yes, sir. Myself, Balu. I am from Kadapa district, which is located in Andhra Pradesh. Currently, I am staying at Magneq. About my education, I completed my BTech in Electrical and Electronics Engineering from JNDA College of Engineering, Pulvendra,
Yeah, fine.
in the year of 2022. And my technical skills are manual testing, Java, and SQL.
Okay.
And my hobbies are photography and designing music, playing games.
Okay.
About my family, there are 4 members including me: my father, mother, and sister. My father occupation is farmer. My mother is housewife. My younger sister studying diploma third year. And my short-term goal is to get a job in a different company like yours. And my long-term goal is to reach a respectable position in that company. And that's all about me, sir.
Yeah, that's a good introduction. Okay, so fine. So you are good at Java and manual testing and SQL.
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. And yeah, can I go with the manual first?
Yes, sir.
Then we can join with the Java. Okay. So in manual testing, so first of all, so what is the software testing?
The software testing means checking the application was reaching an requirement actual or not, and it is a combination of verification and validation. Verification contains reviews, inspections, walkthroughs,
Okay.
and validation contains unit testing, integration testing, and system testing and user acceptance testing.
Yeah, fine. And so how can you say it is a defect?
Defect means when tester can find any abnormal behavior in application, it is known as defect. Abnormal behavior means when expectation not matching with the actual, it is known as abnormal behaviors.
Fine. And yeah, okay. So you got a defect.
Yes.
Okay. So what is the next procedure?
When we got defect, we can send it to the developer using some tools like Excel sheet and Jira tool, etc. After that, we can track the bug, and for this we can use a defect log template, which contains test scenarios, test cases, and defect ID, and also assigned by assigned by, reported by, and fixed by, and also some screenshot also.
Priority and state.
Priority and state.
Okay. So I think you are aware the bug life cycle.
Yes.
Okay. So there is a like some more defect statuses.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What are the status followed by
Yes.
like this bug?
New is the first one, and then next one is assign and open and design and fixing and retesting. Retesting, after we can retesting, we can, if it is passed, go to test close, and if it is fails, go to reopen, and again cycle to false.
Yeah. Okay. So what is meant by default?
Default means developer treated as a bug, but he have some priority works. That's why he can defer. It is deferred for some time. Postponed for some time.
Fine. And so what you know about the graphical user interface testing?
Graphical user interface testing is which comes under non-functional testing.
Okay, fine.
In that we can check the spelling mistakes and lowercase, uppercase letters and logos. Those things are we can check those.
So you can say better way. So checking the graphical user interface is known as graphical user interface testing. It includes spelling mistakes, positions, colors, all those things.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you said that graphical user interface testing is a non-functional testing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then let me know what is the difference between functional and non-functional testing.
Yes, sir. When the client requirement is reached, when client requirement is reached, that is known as functional testing, sir. When client expectation is reached, that is known as non-functional testing, sir.
Yes, if the client requirement was developed or not is known as functional testing, and the developed thing reaching the expectations
Yeah.
are known as non-functional
Non-functional.
testing. Okay, so in the functional testing,
Yes.
we have a positive and negative testing.
Yes, sir.
Are you aware about that?
Yes, sir.
So what is the positive testing and what is the negative testing?
Positive testing means when we are giving valid inputs and expect in that we can expect it is accepting, and
Okay.
then so it is used for checking the application working or not.
Okay.
And for not negative testing, we can give invalid inputs and your expectation is not accepting. We are using this for to finding the defects.
Fine. And okay, so I completed my positive testing.
Yes, sir.
I'm not doing the negative testing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the scenario based question.
Yes, sir.
So now can I give 100% assurance it is a quality product?
No, sir.
Why?
Because we cannot, we don't know about whether it is accepting invalid data or not, sir.
Okay.
That's why
So
we cannot assure.
yes. So like by mistake, if invalid can accept in market users, it failure
It's
like
become failures.
yes, it becomes failure. Okay.
Yes.
Now, and so what is the difference between retesting and regression testing?
Retesting means after fixing the bug, we can check it is properly fixed or not.
Okay.
While come to regression testing, after fixing the bug, we can check other if it can affect its effect on other models. We can checking the all models.
Okay, regression means checking the newly fixed one or newly added one with comparing to the existing one.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, fine. And so let me give the answer like what is mean by white box and black box testing?
White box testing means
Testing. I am asking white box testing.
Okay, so white box testing means when developer can do testing, it is known as white box testing. When tester can do the testing, it comes under black box testing.
Okay, what are the testing includes in white box and what are the testing includes in black box?
Under white box techniques, unit testing and integration testing.
Okay.
Under black box testing, system testing and user acceptance testing.
Fine. Okay, so let me move on Java.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So what is the difference between JRE and JDK?
JRE means it is a runtime environment to execute our programs. JDK means it is a software which is used to run the Java program in our machine.
Okay. So what is the file extension we are giving to save the Java program?
So we can use extension as .java, sir.
Okay, fine. And what is the difference between compiler and interpreter?
Compiler means which can check the syntax errors and converts Java program into bytecode. About interpreter, which converts bytecode into machine language or binary language, is known as interpreters.
Yeah, that's cool. Okay, so can you tell some features of Java?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what are them?
Java is a high-level programming language, and which can be written in simple English language, and it is a robust because of its memory management system, and it provides object-oriented program principles, which is used to develop standard applications.
And you can say multi-thread.
Multi-thread.
So what are the concepts included inside the OOPS?
There is concepts encapsulation,
Okay.
inheritance, polymorphism, and abstractions.
Yeah, fine. So okay, let me tell what is the like internally happens in the if condition.
If condition means when you give some condition some values, that values the condition will be checked. If condition is true, inside the if condition the statement will be executed. Otherwise, no, there is no output.
Okay, fine. And what is the internal mechanism of while loop?
While loop, it can use it to print the repeated output, sir. Based on we want to give some values initially and give condition and updation value.
Yeah, fine. And so can you tell the difference between while loop and do while loop?
Yes, sir. While loop means when the condition is failed, there is no output, sir. There is no minimum number of iterations are 0, sir. In while loop, there in do while there is if in case of condition is failed, there is a minimum there is one repetition is present.
Okay, so you can say like in coming to the while loop, first it will check the condition, then it will execute.
Yes, sir.
Coming to the do while, first it will execute and after it will check the condition.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. And next we can go with the like are you aware about the arrays?
Uh,
Yeah, okay, fine. So you are still pursuing.
yes, sir. Still yes.
Okay, fine. And so what is error?
Error means when the developer writing the code, he can say he can do any mistakes. It taken as error, sir.
Yeah, okay. So what is the syntax of main method?
Main method syntax, sir.
Yes.
Public static void main and string in curly braces string arrays. Curly braces string arrays. After that curly braces open and you can write.
You can say simply body of the method you got. Okay. And what is the advantages of oops?
By using loops, we can develop standard applications, sir.
I'm asking like okay, so, okay, and again. So you can say code reusability and
Yes, sir.
readability and security.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. And yeah, finally I am going with the question.
Yes, sir.
So like how many like sorry, in Java is multiple inheritance is possible?
Possible, sir, by using interface keywords, sir.
Yeah, okay, fine. And what is the difference between interface and this inheritance?
Inheritance, sir. Interface.
Or you can say difference between interface or class, you can say.
Okay, sir. In the class, when we can compile the class, compiler can automatically answer constructor. In case of interface, there is no topic about there is no information about constructor, sir.
And if is interface contain defined method?
Defined method means interface contain one unimplemented methods.
Undefined method.
Undefined.
Okay, which type of method it is?
It is a non-static method.
Defaultly abstract.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Yeah, okay, so I think I'm done with my side.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have any question to ask?
No, sir.
Yeah, fine. Yeah, you may leave, Balu.
Yes, thank you.